Hello bachcho. So let's read the question. The question says, read the following statements carefully and choose the option with all the correct ones. पहला statement है, repeated stimulation of the muscles leads to fatigue. Second, three types of joints are present in the skeletal system, that is fibrous, cartilaginous and synovial. Third, synovial joints allow slight movements and therefore play a significant role in locomotion. And fourth, force generated by the muscles is used to carry out movements through joints where the joint acts as a fulcrum. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में ए सी डी करेक्ट दिया हुआ है, सेकंड ऑप्शन में बी सी डी, थर्ड ऑप्शन में ए बी डी एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज ओनली सी. So the key concept of this question is muscle fatigue and joints. Muscle fatigue is basically when the muscle is repeatedly activated. So repeated activation of the repeated activation of the muscle, it leads to the accumulation of lactic acid. It leads to the accumulation of lactic acid due to the anaerobic breakdown. एनारोबिक ब्रेकडाउन मसल में इसीलिए होता है जब मसल में ऑक्सीजन सफिशिएंट अमाउंट में नहीं पहुंच पाता. इट रिजल्ट्स इन द एनारोबिक ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन. एनारोबिक ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन प्रोड्यूसेस लैक्टिक एसिड और लैक्टिक एसिड के एक्यूमुलेशन से causes the muscle to fatigue. Next, coming to the joints. Joints are the points of contact between bones and bones or bones and cartilages, and their main function is movement. Joints जो होते हैं, they are extremely essential for causing movement. The force produced by the muscle is used to carry out movements through joints. This is because joints जो होते हैं, they act as a fulcrum. Depending upon the movability of the joints को further classify किया गया है into fibrous joints, cartilaginous joints, and synovial joints. Fibrous joints do not allow any movement. Examples of such joints are the skull bones, the flat skull bones, which are joined end to end with the help of fibrous connective tissue, which forms sutures. Cartilaginous joints allow limited movements and इसमें जो bones होते हैं, they are joined with the help of cartilages. Example of this is the joints between the vertebrae. The joints between the vertebrae, they have cartilages which allow limited movement, and synovial joint, it is characterized by the presence of A fluid filled cavity called the synovial cavity. This synovial cavity is present between the articulating bones. Synovial joint consists of hinge joints, knee joint आता है, there is ball and socket joint, जिसमें humerus और pectoral girdle आता है, there is pivot joint, which is present between the atlas and axis, and etc. So coming back to the question में correct answers हमें choose करना है. सबसे पहला दिया हुआ है repeated stimulation of the muscles leads to fatigue, which is true because of the anaerobic respiration, lactic acid accumulation हो जाता है जिससे fatigue होता है. Second, 3 types of joints are present in the skeletal system: fibrous, cartilaginous, and synovial. This is also true. Synovial joints allow the slight movements and therefore play a significant role in locomotion. This is wrong because जो cartilaginous joints होते हैं वो slight movement provide करते हैं. Synovial joint provide movements more than the cartilaginous joints. And fourth, force generated by the muscles is used to carry out movements through joints where the joint acts as a fulcrum. This is also true. So इसमें से correct हो गए A, B and D. So A, B and D is the third option. So the final answer for this question is option C. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.